Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Oracle Cloud VMs using tenancy and user credentials, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Oracle Cloud VMs using tenancy and user credentials, begin by gathering your credentials. You will need your tenancy OCID, user OCID, and API key. Log in to your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the Identity section in the console. Locate your tenancy OCID displayed on the dashboard. Copy this OCID for later use. Next, find your user OCID. You can find this under Users in the Identity menu. Make sure to copy your user OCID as well. Now, generate an API key. In the Users section, select your user account. Click on API keys to access the key management area. Select Add Public Key to create a new key. You will need to use a key pair for this step. If you don't already have a key pair, you can generate one using OpenSSH. Once you have your public key, paste it into the designated field. Give your API key a name for easy identification. Now, save the changes. With your OCIDs and API key ready, you'll need to set up the configuration file on your local machine. Create a directory for your configuration, such as .oc. Inside this directory, create a file named config. Open the config file in a text editor. Begin by specifying the profile name. The default profile is usually named default. Under this profile, add your tenancy OCID. Next, add your user OCID to the config file. Then, specify the region for your Oracle Cloud account. You can find the list of available regions in the Oracle documentation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.